How to pause location on Life360 without anyone knowing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Here, click on Wi-Fi and Network. After you click on Wi-Fi and Network, click on SIM and Network. Here you will find Data Saver. Click on Data Saver. Then turn on Data Saver. After you've turned on Data Saver, your location will be paused as Data Saver will restrict apps to use in the background. And this is how to pause location on Life360 without anyone knowing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.